Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp problem on iPhone. To know how to fix or how to solve WhatsApp problem on iPhone, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp and you will enter. After that, in this page you will click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.